Welcome to the installation guide for the Advansol Module Level Regulation Solution MR, monitoring RSD. This video demonstrates the installation of the MR series microcontroller, model APT-MC MR-T2. Please open the packaging box before installation. Ensure all accessories are included. Product overview of the MR Level Monitoring Shutdown Microcontroller, monitoring RSD, series. MR-T2 mounting methods. Make sure the DC side of the inverter is turned off before installation. Proceed with installation only after implementing proper safety measures. The recommended installation position for the MR-T2 is on the side of the back of the module. There are 3 installation methods available. Choose the appropriate method according to the site conditions. Method A. Use the frame hole on the back of the PV module. Insert T-bolts and M8 nuts. Place the MR-T2 unit. Secure it firmly. Method B. Use the clips on the back of the microcontroller housing. Directly hook it onto the edge of the PV module. Method C. Use the groove of the PV mounting bracket. Insert T-bolts and M8 nuts. Place the MR-T2 unit. Secure it firmly. After confirming the installation position, remove the SN label on the left side of the microcontroller. Attach the label to the corresponding box on the physical layout diagram. MR-T2 wiring instructions. Connect the MR-T2's PV1 and PV1+ to the output terminals of the first PV module. Connect PV2 and PV2+ to the output terminals of the second PV module. Connect the MR-T2's out+ or out to the adjacent MR units out or out+ accordingly. If one MR-T2 is connected to a single PV module, connect PV2+ and PV2 together. PV1 remains connected to the module output normally. Note, a click sound indicates a secure connection. MR-T2 monitoring RSD installation verification. Connect the out and out+ of a single MR-T2 to a multimeter as shown. The voltage of a single unit should be less than 1.5 V. Connect the positive and negative terminals of the PV string DC bus containing MR-T2 units to the multimeter. The string voltage should be less than 30 V. This concludes the installation of the APT-MC MR microcontroller, monitoring RSD.